This trading strategy is so powerful, we debated making a video on it. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've heard about ICT and all of his trading models like the Silver Bullet and the Power of 3. But have you heard of the ICT Turtle Soup? This is one of the most advanced trading models and can be insanely profitable if executed correctly. After seeing how powerful this strategy was, our team spent hours developing an indicator to automate the entire thing, and it's completely free. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the indicator and walk you through all of the settings, so you're ready to dominate the markets by the end of the video. To get started, go to TradingView, head over to the Indicators tab, and search for the ICT Turtle Soup indicator by Flux Charts. I'll also leave a link in the description for easy access. Once you've added the indicator to your chart, it should look something like this. Before I jump into the settings, let me quickly explain the 5-step Turtle Soup strategy so you understand how it works. The first thing the indicator does is identify levels of liquidity from a higher time frame than your chart. It does this by finding the latest high and low pivot points. Secondly, the indicator will determine if the market is consolidating or in a trend. If it's in a trend, it will confirm if it's bullish or an uptrend, or if the market is bearish or in a downtrend. Next, the indicator will wait for price to approach the higher time frame levels from step 1 and grab liquidity. If there's a bullish liquidity grab, the indicator will plot a green bubble. If there's a bearish liquidity grab, the indicator will plot a red bubble. After this, the indicator will wait to detect a market structure shift and then take an entry, plotting either a buy or sell signal with take profit and stop loss levels. Now that you understand how the indicator works, let's jump into the settings and show you all the customization. Starting off with the higher time frame setting. You can select any time frame as long as it's higher than your current chart time frame. This will determine what time frame the indicator should look for liquidity levels on. Since I'm on a 1-hour time frame, I will change my higher time frame to 4 hours. You can easily see these levels on your chart by toggling on the Show Liquidity Zones setting. The next setting is the Market Structure Shift, or MSS swing length. If you don't know what a market structure shift is, it's a price action pattern that indicates a trend reversal. If you have a length of 10, the indicator will look at the highest or lowest point in the last 10 candles before the liquidity grab and mark that level. Once price moves above or below this level, the MSS is triggered. Thus, having a shorter length will result in faster and shorter trades, which is better suited for scalpers. While having a longer swing length will cause the indicator to have less frequent entries, but longer lasting trades, which is perfect for swing traders. You can also adjust the breakout method, which is correlated with the market structure shift. If you select wick, a MSS will be detected if a candle's wick goes above or below the key level. If you select close, a candle must close above or below this key level in order for a MSS to be detected. Having these options gives you the flexibility and customization to tailor this strategy for your trading. Moving on to the entry method setting. This is one of the most advanced features of the indicator. If adaptive is selected, the indicator will automatically learn from past winning trades what the optimal settings are for detecting liquidity grabs. If you'd rather just stick with the classic Turtle Soup though, you can simply change your entry method to classic, which will follow the 5 Turtle Soup steps from earlier. When it comes to risk management, this indicator's got you covered as well. Each buy and sell signal comes with a take profit and stop loss level. In the settings, you can choose between a dynamic or fixed mode. Having a fixed mode lets you set your own take profit and stop loss levels, which will be consistent for each trade the indicator takes. If you use dynamic, the indicator will automatically determine these levels for you based on market conditions. When you select the dynamic mode, you have the option to adjust your risk from lowest to highest. Selecting a higher risk usually means a better win rate at the cost of losing more if the strategy fails. This setting has a crucial effect on the performance of the indicator. Make sure to properly adjust your risk setting. That's not all though. You can receive alerts when there's a signal for a buy, sell, take profit, or stop loss, so you don't miss any trading opportunities. Just scroll to the bottom of the indicator settings, select all the alerts you want, right-click on your chart, click Add Alert, change the condition to the Turtle Soup, and click Create. This is all great, but how do you actually know if this indicator works? Well, with the built-in backtesting dashboard, you can easily see how the indicator will perform based on the settings you input. The dashboard updates in real time whenever you change one of the indicator settings, so you can fine-tune the strategy on all of your favorite tickers and time frames. That's all for today's video. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this indicator in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, join our free Discord community where we share trade ideas, host live trading sessions, and share other amazing free indicators. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.